Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And in this video we are going to revise all the things, all the chapters, all the lessons for term 3, which is for your term end examination for grade 6. Okay, I'll try to take some examples because this is the complete revision, so video is going to be little long, and please have a patience and try to understand the concept. I will try to revise maximum of the formulae and concepts, okay, because for the questions I have made another video, so you can go through those videos. So let's start the lessons. See, first topic will be area of parallelogram. Now here you will understand one thing, that parallelogram, rectangle, okay, or what you can have, square, or you can have rhombus, okay, all these things will be same. Okay, so parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, everything will remain, formula will remain same. So it will look something like this, area of a parallelogram, okay, and here opposite sides will be equal to each other, so I am taking this side as B, that is base, and this side vertical line from the first or any of the corner, this making 90 degree will be taken as height. Okay, these two things are compulsory to apply the formula for area of a parallelogram. So what is the area formula? Area is equal to base times height. Okay, now if I take area as A, base as B, and height as H, so how many things do you see here in this formula? 1, 2, 3. So definitely from these three things, two things will be given to you in the exam, and third thing you will have to find. So for example, if area is missing, then this is the formula. If base is missing, then it will be area divided by height. If height is missing, then it will be area divided by base. Okay, its unit will be, area unit will be unit square, maybe for example centimeter square, meter square, or anything. And for base or height, it will be only unit, maybe for centimeter or kilometer or meter, whatever. Okay, this will be the direct and easy question for area related with the parallelogram. What else you can have in this question? You can have, maybe they will ask you about the cost of coloring or painting, okay, something like that. So word problem, real life problem they can ask you, maybe that can be as a bonus question, or that can be the main question. Okay, and that also very easy. Why? Because painting, wrapping the gift paper or gift box with the paper, okay, all these things involved with the surface area. So after finding the area, whatever cost they will give you, for example they give you cost rate is, painting rate is dirham, say for example 2 dirham per meter square, okay, and you find area as, say for example 100 meter square area you find, then what will be the total cost? Total cost will be 100 multiplied by 2, means 200 dirham. Like this you can find the cost of painting or amount of the paper for wrapping the gift box or anything. Okay, so these things involved with the surface area or area of the parallelogram. Okay, so hope you understand everything about this parallelogram. If any problem, my dear students, please write in the comment, but have patience and see complete video, okay, and try to understand everything here, because I will not take the question. Now going to another topic. Okay, so just once again for you, what is the formula for area of parallelogram? It is base multiplied by height. So any two things will be given to you in the exam, and third thing you will have to find. Okay, now another thing can be area of a triangle. Now you can have three types of triangle, means three pictures they can give in the exam like this, and another can be, how I make, okay, like this. Okay, like this, three triangles. Okay, I'm sorry for my drawing. Now this side can be taken as the base, no problem. This side can be taken as the base, and this is making 90 degree. Okay, and here this side can be taken as the base. Now where is the height? Height in this figure, height will be this one, making 90 degree. In this figure, second one, height will be this line, where in the third line, in the third picture, it will be like here. Okay, see this, if you extend it here, it is making 90 degree, and this will be the height. Okay, so don't confuse with this line and this line, they will not be part of the height. Okay, so what will be area of triangle? Area of triangle will be equal to half times base times height. So again you have three things here: area, base and height. So if I write area as A equal half, base as B and height as H. So what you can have here, if area is missing, then you can apply this formula and unit will be unit square. If base is missing, then you can say 2 times area divided by H unit. If H is missing, then you can have 2 times area divided by base unit. Okay, maybe centimeter, kilometer. Don't forget to write the unit if it is an open response question. Okay. So like this you can find area by using this, you can find base by using this formula, you can find height. Now the word problem, same like parallelogram. If you want to design something, if you want to color the triangular shape, if you want to fill something in the triangular shape, then that will be requiring area. Okay, so just you be little careful in the exam and hopefully all questions will be correct for you. And see, this is very easy formula for you. Okay, normally what students do here, they miss this 2 while finding base or height, because while finding area they remember the formula, they do it, no problem, but while finding the base and height they forget to multiply by 2 also. Okay, so be careful with the calculation and formula and I am sure your question will be correct. Okay, now another topic can be area of trapezoid. So area of trapezoid means, see, first of all you understand trapezoid will look like maybe like this or maybe like this. This is the vertical line and like this. Okay, these are the two pictures for a trapezoid. Now this side I am taking as A, this side down I am taking as B, and their height I am taking as H, this one. Okay, and same for here, this I am taking as A, down I am taking as B, and then this already it is making a 90 degree. So this I am taking as H. Okay, see, I am telling you here the direct formula for area of trapezoid. Maybe you can do like this also. If you draw a vertical line here also, then you can see one triangle, two triangle, both area will be same, and in between you will have a rectangle. Okay, so you can find all these three areas and you add them, but I don't want to waste your time. So area of trapezoid is equal to half times sum of the parallel sides, sum means addition of the parallel sides A and B, and times H. Okay, so if I take area as A, then this will be the formula. A is equal to half of A plus B times H. Okay, now here it is very easy for you to apply this formula for trapezoid, especially when you have to find the area, but you will have to be careful if height is missing. If height is missing, then what will be the formula then? 2 times A over A plus B. Okay, and if A or B is missing, then you will have to be extra careful in that case. Why? Because in that case you will have to multiply, divide and apply the PEMDAS rule or BODMAS rule, and then you will find the A or B. Okay, so I'm not writing here direct formula for A or B because I don't want you to mug up so many things. Okay, otherwise you will be confused. So for height it is okay, you can directly multiply 2 from down to up, it will go here, and A plus B from multiplication it will come to division. Okay, like this you can find. But if A or B is missing, then be careful and then do the question. For example, suppose I am taking one question for you. Area is, say for example, 100 centimeter square. Height is, say for example, 20 centimeter. One side A is 10 centimeter. Then they can ask find the value of B. Okay, so what you will do here? Just write the value of A is equal to half times A plus B means 10 plus B times height means 20. Okay, now this 2 is down, so it will be multiplied up. So 100 multiplied by 2 divided by 20. Why divided by 20? Because 20 here is in multiplication. So it is equal to 10 plus B. Now 100 divided by 20 is 5. Okay, so So I think I wrote this number myself, so that's what it is coming little wrong, because value of b cannot be 0, so I'm just changing the number. In place of 10 I'm writing 5. Okay, now a is 5 here, so this 5 plus b, and here also it is 5 plus b. Now 5 times 2, 10 is equal to 5 plus b, so b will be equal to what? 5. Like this you can get the answer. Okay, you will have to be little careful with the calculation, but start always with the formula. Okay, if formula is correct you will get 1 mark. If after that substitution of the values is correct, yani if you are putting the values correctly, then also you will get 1 mark. So like this you can get step by step marking also. Okay, now next question can be area of a regular polygon. Now regular polygon means, I told you, a polygon whose all sides are equal. For example, this is a pentagon because it has 5 sides. Okay, so pentagon means 5 sides and all the sides are equal. So normally what you can do here in your exam, maybe from the center they will put one center here and then they will draw a triangle, or they will not draw the triangle, they will give you the height like this. Okay, and they will say this height is base, this is the base, or in place of this giving base they can give here or here, anywhere. Okay, so all the sides will be same because it is a regular polygon. Okay, and height will also be given, this is h. Okay, so what you will do here, you will just make one triangle like this and then write the formula for this. So area is equal to what? Half of base and height. Okay, half of base multiply by height. This is formula for one triangle. And how many triangles you can do here? How many triangles you can make here? It depends on how many sides you have. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Yes, because it's a pentagon. So you can make 5 triangles. So multiply by 5 also. And here you can draw also, like you see. Now we have 2 triangles. Yes, 1, 2. Now we have 3 triangles. Now you have 4 and 5 triangles. So this is 1 triangle, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's what I have multiplied by 5. If you have hexagon like this, means if you have 6 sides, then what you will do? From the center they will do the same thing. From the center they will give you one height like this. For example, say this is 5 and this is 10. So what you will do? Area is equal to half times base times height. And how many triangles you can have here? It depends on how many sides you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides are there, so multiplied by 6. Like this you can simplify the expression and then you will get the answer for area of a regular polygon. Okay, so definitely they will give you that it is a regular polygon, and somewhere they will write one side. Maybe for example they can write 10 here or 10 here, and height they will write here. Okay, so don't be confused that height is given here but base is not given. So it is a regular polygon, so all base will be equal. Okay, now next question can be perimeter of irregular polygon. Perimeter means like this. Maybe one picture they will give you like this here, and then like this, or anything like this. Okay, so what you can do here, perimeter means border line. Perimeter means border line. So if graph is given to you, then it will be very easy for you, because in the graph, in that case they will give you in the box like this. Yes, so what you will do in that case, you will just count the number of lines in every block, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like this. You will count all the lines like border like this outside. Okay, and that will be the perimeter. But if not, then what you will do? If they will not give you the graph paper, then definitely they will give you some other thing. Otherwise they cannot ask the question. Yes, so in that case they will give you the coordinate. For example, suppose it is 2, 5. It is 2, 9. It is 4, 9. This is 4, 5. Okay, this is 5. Okay, but not 5. 5 cannot be here, because 5 to 9 it is 4. So it can be, say for example, it is 7. Okay, 4, 7. Then it is 10, 7. It is say for example 10 and 6. Okay, or you can say it is 8. Okay, just I'm trying to adjust the number so that it may not be wrong also. Okay, it is 7. Now this is say for example this is before 10 and after 5, so this suppose is 6 7, and then this is 6 5. Okay, like this they can give you the question and they can ask you find the perimeter. So what you will do, you will find the all length, means for example here you see this is 2 and this is 6. In every coordinate if you see, one value will remain same in two coordinates. If you see, if I am looking for these two coordinates, so you see 5 and 5 same. Yes, so you will subtract the different numbers, whatever it is different you will subtract. So you see here x value is 2, here x value is 6, so 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4 is the value of this side. Okay, don't go with the exact measurement, okay, because it can be wrong also. Then what here, 9 minus 5. Why 9 minus 5? Because it is different, because 2 and 2 are same. So this side is 4. Again 4 minus 2, it is equal to 2. Then 9 minus 8, it is 1. And then 10 minus 4, it is 6. 8 minus 7, it is 1. And then 10 minus 6, it is 4. And then 7 minus 5, it is 2. Like this you see, we found all the sides. So 4, 4, 2, and then 1, then 6, then 1, and then 2. And finally what you will do? Add all the sides, means 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. How can I forget this 4? And plus nothing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and answer of this will be the final answer. Okay, I am sure you understood this thing. Like this you can solve the question of perimeter and it will be very easy for you. Okay, now what next you can do for the area? If you want to find the area of the irregular polygon, then what you will do? You can do the same thing, or you can make the box also. Okay, it depends like what question is given to us. So for example, if they can ask you that triangle is given, then for triangle you will apply the formula. So how you will do the question? For example, area of the irregular polygon. So I'll start with the triangle. Okay, definitely they will give you some graph. Okay, so if they give you the graph, then try to find the base and try to find the height. Always this line will be the height, the vertical line. Okay, don't go with any other line. So if you can find this height and base, then its formula will be very easy for you. Half times base times height. Like this you can finish the question. Yes, or if they are giving you any irregular figure like this, like this, like this, make it more dangerous. Oh, not like this dangerous, like this. Okay, so where it go? Now like this. Okay, now I'm sorry once again for the picture. See, if they give you picture like this, then what you will do? Definitely you will find the sides, all the sides you will find, and divide it into the known picture. Like if you draw a dotted line like this, if you draw a line like this, so what you can see here, this is first rectangle, this is second rectangle, and this is third rectangle. And find the area of all the rectangle by using the formula base multiply height, base multiply height, and base multiply height. And after that, at last you add all the areas and you will get the final answer. Okay, not necessarily to be rectangle, it can be anything. Okay, for example, I saw one question in your kitab that like it was like this, maybe here, here, and then here. I made the video for that also. Okay, now if you draw a dotted line like this, then you see it becomes a triangle, it becomes a rectangle. So find the area of both the pictures and then after that add them. Okay, so like this you can find the area of irregular polygon also. Now what next we have? Volume of rectangular prism. Okay, so volume of rectangular prism means like a box you can have. Suppose this is the rectangular prism here, like this, here it goes, and then now we need to have three sides here. So this is length, this is width, and this is height. Okay, so what will be the volume of rectangular prism? Volume V is equal to length multiply width multiply height. So what you can see here, now you have four variables. Yes, V, L, W, H. You have four variables. So out of these four variables, definitely they will give you three numbers, three values they will give you, and you will have to find the fourth one. Okay, so if they give you the volume is missing, then you can apply this formula directly and its answer will be unit cube. Okay, or one more thing you can have here. What that thing you can have here? You can have volume is equal to volume for rectangular prism or for any prism. Okay, area of base multiply by height. Area of base multiply by height. This is the common formula for all the prism, not only the rectangular prism. It is the formula for all the prism. So area of base means length multiply width, because here this is the base, yes, and it will be in the shape of a rectangle or a square. So its area will be length multiply by width, and you can find it easily, and after that multiply by height. So what they can ask you, maybe they will ask you find the area of the base. Height and volume will be given. So area of the base will be equal to what? It will be equal to volume divided by height. Yes, volume divided by height, and its unit will be unit square because it is area. If length is missing, then it will be volume divided by width multiply by height. If width is missing, then it will be volume divided by length multiply by height, and if height is missing, then it will be volume divided by length multiply by width. Okay, or you can say area of the base, that is here. So like this you can utilize this formula, and I am sure you will get the easy question for volume of rectangular prism. But remember one thing, that you must apply the formula correctly and then take extra care of your calculation. Okay, now another thing is, okay, surface area of a rectangular prism. Now surface area of rectangular prism means, you see the same type of picture like we discussed in the volume, like this, and then another here. Here also comes like here, this also. Okay, now this is length, this is width, and this is height. So what is the formula for surface area? Surface area equal to, it will be 2 times length multiply width plus width multiply height plus height multiply by length, unit square. Okay, and simply you just put the values here and you will get the answer. My dear students, one more thing they can give you here. What? They can give you the net of the rectangular prism. They will not give you box like this. They will open the box like this, like one rectangle here, then one different size rectangle here, another different size of rectangle here, and then here like this, and one more like here, and one here. Okay, so what you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From these 6 rectangles, 2 rectangles will remain same. It means it will be in the pair. Maybe 2 and 5 will be same, 3 and 4 will be same, and 1 and 6 will be same, because they are the opposite surfaces. So what the easiest thing here in this question you can do, you can just see the classroom or your room where you are studying this question. Okay, you can see the walls, that if you open the wall, then where it will fall down, okay, where it will go, and how you can see the area. Then find the area, and after that you just plus them. Or if you don't want to waste your time in finding the same area, like I don't want to waste my time in finding which area is same. So what you can do here, you can do one thing, that find 2 sides for every rectangle. Means, for example, this is 6, this is 4. So this is 6, so this will also be 6, yes. And this is 4, this will also be 4. And here also 4. This is 7, so this will also be 7, 7, 7 everywhere, okay. And this is like this, you can find like this is 5, so this is also 5. Yeah, you can find this, okay. And find all the area of rectangle by multiplying them. So 4 multiply 6, then 4 multiply 7, then 7 multiply 5, like that, okay. So it depends on the side, you can find the area. Now next question can be, why I am writing 2 times this? Okay, surface area of pyramid. Now pyramid means you can have top as a corner. So I will start with the square base. Okay, if base is a square, then you take one point and join this point with all the vertices like this, all the corner like this, and here also. Okay, so you can see in the pyramid, base will be something like a square, rectangle or triangle, equilateral of course, and one side triangle. Okay, side triangles. It depends on how many sides you have on the base. Okay, so what will be the surface area of the base? Surface area of the base total means there cannot be any standard formula for that, but it will be area of the base times, area of the base plus number of triangles inside. Okay, so if you have a square base, then surface area of square pyramid, what it will be? Surface area of a square pyramid will be area of square, that is length multiply width or base multiply height, you can say, area of a square plus area of 4 triangles. Why 4 triangles? Because you will have 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on every side you will have a triangle. So 4 triangles. And how you will find area of 4 triangles? Half multiply base multiply height and total multiply by 4, and area of square base will be b multiply b. Like this you can do the question. Okay, so after that square pyramid, what you can have? You can have also that triangular pyramid. Okay, you can have a triangle as the base. Of course it will be an equilateral triangle, and then from this triangle you will have all the corner surface like this. You can have a triangle. So area of triangular pyramid, area of triangular pyramid, what it can be? It can be area of base triangle. See why I am writing it differently, separately. Why? Because base triangle may be same as the side triangle, or it cannot be same. Okay, it may not be the same. So area of the base triangle plus 3 times area of side triangles. Okay, like why 3 times? Because now you have 3 triangles, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so whatever side you have in the base, you will multiply with that number only, and that will be the surface area of pyramid. Okay, I am sure they will not ask you any difficult question from surface area of pyramid. Just in case, you will have to be little careful with the base area. Maybe they will give you the base area of this triangle, or you will have to find. So how you will find? In that case, they will definitely give you this side also, this height, of course, this one. Like this they will give you, for example, this is 10, this is B, this is also B, this is B, and this slant height also they will give you. This is called slant height. Okay, just remember this name. Maybe they can ask you this simple question in multiple choice, that which of the following is the slant height in the given pyramid. So you will have to be little careful. Okay, like this you can do the question. Now next question can be statistical questioning. Statistical questioning means this will be very easy question for your exam, and I am sure it will be in the multiple choice question. So statistical questioning means where you can have more answers. Where you can have more answers, then that will be called statistical question. For example, if I say how many countries in the world, how many countries in the world. So is this a statistical question? No. Why? Because its answer is fixed. Whatever number of countries we have in the world, everybody will give the same answer. So there will be no variation. Yes, no change in the answer. Similarly, if I ask you how many days in a week, how many days in a week, is this a statistical question? No, because everybody will say 7 days are there in a week. Yes, so there will be no choice. Next question can be which ice cream, I am sorry for this W, which ice cream do you like most? Which ice cream do you like most. Okay, so you can say that I like butterscotch, I like vanilla, I like chocolate, I like strawberry, anything. Okay, so you can have so many answers. So yes, this is a statistical question. Okay, similarly, what is your favorite sports, or what is your favorite sports or game? Okay, so you can say football, I will say cricket, somebody will say basketball, baseball, anything, badminton. Okay, so you have variety of answers. So this question also is a statistical question. So statistical question means if you can have many answers, then it will be the statistical question, but if you have fixed answer, then it will not be the statistical question. Okay, now next can be dot plot. Now for dot plot, you see some questions, some numbers will be given to you. For example, 2, 5, 7, 9, 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 9, like this. Okay, and now first of all, you see 2 is repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So frequency, here another word is there, frequency of 2 is 3, means how many times 2 is repeated. Okay, how many times 2 is written. So this is called frequency. Okay, number of repetition. Now after finding the frequency, we can easily draw the dot plot. And how you will draw? See, first you write the number line like this, and then you write the numbers written here. So numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you see 2 how many times? 3 times. So make here 3 dots or 3 cross like this, or it is a dot plot, so you can make dot also like this, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now 3 how many times? 1, 2 times. So make here 2 dots like this. 4 how many times? No time, so just leave it here. 5 how many times? 1, 2, only 2 times, so write 2 dots here. Then 6 how many times? No time. 7 how many times? 1, 2 times, so 1, 2 here. 8 how many times? No time. 9 how many times? 2 times, so here 2 dots. Like this you can make the dot plot. Okay, and you can analyze also. If they say describe the dot plot, so what you can say? There is no number with observation 4, 6 and 8. Okay, maximum of the number occur at 2, or frequency of 2 is maximum. Okay, less than 5 how many numbers are there? 3 plus 2, 5. More than 5 how many numbers are there? 2 and 2, 4, like this. Total how many numbers? 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9, 2, 11 numbers. Like this you can describe the dot plot. Okay, but describe is very easy. We just see the picture and write about that picture. Okay, it is like a story writing. Now histogram. Histogram means same type of question it will be. For example, they can say marks in your class is for example, say 50, then 60, then 50 again, 62, then 55, then 78, 89, okay, 92, then 65, then 83, then 87, like that. Okay, now how you will make the histogram? Like this, you make the graph, and then histogram means rectangle. Okay, so if I take the number from, say for example, 50 to 79, I am taking little bigger number, okay, so that it can be finished quickly. 79, then 80, okay, I'll write like this, 50 to 79, one box, and then 79 means 82. What is the difference here? 30. So it will be, okay, I'll take little less, so it can be like 69, or little more less, it can be 59, then 60 to, then 60 to 69, then comes here 70 to 79, then comes here 80 to 89, then comes here 90 to 99. So 50 to 59, how many numbers? 1, 2, and then 3, and yes, so here 1, 2 and 3. So from this 3 you will make a rectangle like this. It is called histogram. Okay, make sure it is a proper rectangle. Now I'll change the color so that you can easily understand. Now 60 to 69, how many numbers? 1, 2 and 3, 3 again. So one more box like this from this 3, okay, like this, and change the color again, and it will be like 70 to 79. How many numbers do we have? Something 1 and 1 only. So 1 up to here it will go line like this box become like this here, and then 80 to 89. So 1 2 3, yes. So again it goes to 3, no, change the color, this is going to 3 like this, and then like this, okay, like this, and finally we have one more 90 to 99, okay, it will become only 1, that is 2. So here it comes like 2, sorry, 1 time only, so it will become only like this. Okay, this is called histogram. If you want to describe this data, then you can describe about this data also. Okay, like you can say the least value is for 70 to 79 and 90 to 99. Okay, and below 69, below 70, how many students are there? So 3 for this, 3 for this, 6 students. More than 80, how many students are there? 3 for this, 1 for this. So 4 students are there. Yes, like this you can describe the data. Okay, now next can be mean. This is very easy for you. See, mean means, what is the formula for mean? Mean, or we can say average. Okay, so formula is very easy for this. Sum of all numbers, sum of all the numbers divided by the counting of the numbers, means how many numbers are there. Okay, for example, say you have 2 7 8 3 2 1 like this, and you need to find the mean. So mean will be equal to what? Mean is equal to 2 plus 7 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and that divided by how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is called counting of the numbers. So just add them. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 3 20, 20 plus 2 22, and 1 23 divided by 6. So it is 23 divided by 6 means 6 3s are 18, 5 remainder, 5 5 5 6 8s are 48, 2 remainder, 6 3s are 18, like this. Okay, so 3.83 will be the mean. Like this you can find the mean easily. Okay, now what next they can give you? They can give you the mean, and one number will be the missing. For example, yes, this is a very important question for you. Maybe they can say mean of 5 numbers is, say for example 20. Okay, and 4 numbers are, they can say 4 numbers are 2 3 7 9 8, sorry, 2 3 7 9, and find the missing number. So missing number I am taking as A. So what you will have here? 20 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9 plus A, and divided by 5, because total 5 numbers are there. Now 20 multiplied by 5, 100 is equal to 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 9 21, 21 plus A. So A is equal to 79. This will be the answer. Like this you can do this question also. Okay, now another question can be median. This here you will have to be little careful. Why? Because if you want to find the median, the number should be written in ascending or descending order. So I will tell you for ascending order. Okay, for example, they say find the median of the numbers 2 3 1 7 5 4 2 1. Okay, and now we have to find the median. So what we will do? First we will write them in ascending order. So 1 1, then 2, okay, 1 cancel, 1 cancel, 2 finish, 2 finish. Now 3 also done, very good. Then 4 also finished, then 5 also finished, and 7 also finished. Yes, so we have done all the numbers. Now you see how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total 8 numbers are there. 8 numbers means in between you will have 2 numbers. So what you do? If numbers are less, so what you can do? One number finish from here, one number finish from here, one number finish here, one finish here, then from here, from here. Now these 2 numbers are left. So median will be equal to, median is equal to their mean. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2 means 5 divided by 2 means 2.5. Okay, now if you have one more number, for example, say I take here 9 also, then what will happen? Then in between you will have only one number. Yes or no? Okay, this was 5, this is 7. Okay, now after this you have 9 numbers. So if you have 9 means odd numbers, then in between you will have only one number. You see, one cut from here, one cut here, one here, then one from here, one from here, one from here, one. Only this is left, so that will be median. So median is equal to 3. Like this you can find the median. Okay, but remember, median means always you will write the number in ascending or descending order. Okay, like this you can solve this question. Now another question can be quartile. So how you will find the quartile? This is the step after the median. So I am writing the numbers in ascending order already. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. So this is, for example, say 1, 2, 5, 7, 13, 12, 13, then say 16, and say 17, and one more 20. Okay, now see, middle number will be median. Yes, so middle number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers are there. So it means in between you will have two numbers. So what all those two numbers? 13 and 7. So median will be equal to 7 plus 13 divided by 2 means 20 divided by 2 means 10. That will be the median. Now what about the quartile? For the quartile you have two quartile, first quartile and third quartile, because second quartile is the median. Okay, now you make it into two half. This is first half, this is first half, and this is second half. Yes, now in the first half you see again we have four numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So four numbers means even number, in between you will have two numbers. So the first quartile will be, first quartile Q1 is equal to 5 plus 2 divided by 2 means 7 divided by 2 means it is 3.5. This is first quartile. Okay, and the third quartile will be, third quartile Q3. It will be equal to, you see again you have here four numbers in the second half, 1, 2, 3, 4. So mean of these two. So 16 plus 17 divided by 2 means 33 divided by 2, and 33 divided by 2 means how much? 16.5. Like this you can find quartile. Okay, so Q1 is the first quartile, that is from the first box, first half, and Q3 from the second. Okay, now based on this quartile you can have very good, very important information also, that is box plot. Okay, so with the help of this only I will tell you how to draw the box plot also with the same data. Okay, see, this is the number line for you. Now numbers are, maybe I will take okay, 2, 1 is there also, so I don't want to take actually up to 20. Okay, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, oh my god, and then it goes to up to 20. Okay, just my dear students, please try to understand. Now 1 is the minimum number. Yes, so this is the minimum number, here comes 1, like this. And then where is the first interquartile? First quartile is 3.5. So 3.5 will be somewhere here. So here will be the line of the box. Yes, and where is the third quartile? Third quartile is 16.5. So it will come here somewhere here, maybe, for example, just understand. Okay, this is 16.5. Now draw the box like this. Like this you draw the box, and then join like this, and with go up to 20, because 20 is the maximum number. So like this. And where is the median? Median was 10, this one. So for 10 you can have a line like this. Okay, so this is median, this is first quartile, this is third quartile, and this is minimum value, and this is maximum value. Now based on this box plot, what you can have so many things, like on the next page though I have written this, but I will tell you here. Range means the minimum value minus the maximum value. Okay, range means minimum value minus maximum value. For example, in this case, it will be 20 minus 1 means 19 will be the range. Okay. Interquartile range will be equal to what? It will be Q3 minus Q1 means Q3 minus Q1 means 16.5 minus 3.5 and it will be equal to 13. Like this you can draw you can find so many things. Now, one more thing here, if you see this median line is in the middle of the box, in the center of the box, then that type of data will be called symmetric data. Okay, means distribution is symmetric. But if it is left or if it is in the right side, then it will not be symmetric. Okay, then that is called left skew or right skew. Okay, like that you can remember the question. So this box plot is very important for you, and if you want to understand more about the box plot or for any other thing, you just go through the separate video for that what I have made for you. Okay, now this I have told you, range means maximum value minus minimum value. Interquartile range means third quartile minus the first quartile. Okay, and interquartile range, maybe in the exam they will write like this, IQR. Okay, now mean absolute deviation. Mean, I told you, sum of all the numbers divided by the counting of number. Absolute value, absolute means always positive. And how I am writing positive? What is this? This is called exam pressure. So positive. Okay, now deviation. Deviation means change from mean. Okay, change from the mean or average. For example, average of the class is 60 marks in maths. Okay, one student score 90 marks. So what is the deviation? Deviation will be 90 minus 60 is equal to 30. Okay, like this. This is the meaning of deviation. Okay, now how you will find the deviation? This is very easy for you, but it is not short question. Okay, it will be very long question. I will tell you how. See, if numbers are given like this and you will write like this, it will be easy for you. For example, numbers are, say, for example, 17, 12, 13, 15, 18, like this. Okay, now what you will do? First of all, these numbers if I take as xi, and then you will find their mean. So just make their total. Total will be how much? 7 2 9, 9 3 12, 12 5 17, 17 8 25. Now 2 forward, 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 7. So 75. So what will be the mean? Mean m is equal to 75 divided by how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5. So 75 divided by 5 means 15. Okay. Now you will make another number, that is xi minus m, means you will subtract all these numbers with this 15. So 17 minus 15 is equal to 2. Then 12 minus 15 is equal to minus 3. And then 13 minus 15 is equal to minus 2. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. And 18 minus 15 is equal to 3. Okay. Now you will, this is not the absolute. I told you absolute means always positive. So you will write here like this. Absolute means like this. You can write two lines like this. So these are the two lines, xi minus m, and it will be 2. So all the numbers make it positive, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3. And then what you will do? Add it, total. Total of all these numbers will be 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. And then absolute mean deviation or mean absolute deviation is equal to what? Total divided by how many numbers? 5. So it is equal to 2. Okay, like this you can find the mean absolute deviation. See, this is not difficult, but it is little long. Yes, so you will have to take care of your calculation. If any calculation in between will be wrong, your answer will become wrong and you will lose some marks. Okay, and definitely it is going to be open response question, so you will get some marks hopefully, and hopefully this question will be correct for you. Now outlier and its formula. Okay, what is the meaning of outlier? See, name is telling you what we are going to study here. Out means away from everyone, like so many like a group of students is sitting here and they are enjoying their lunch break or cold drink, chips, anything, and one student is sitting here. So this is outlier. Yes, but in the case of number it is not like that. Maybe they will say that okay, there are some numbers 2, 3, 7, 4, 5, 6, 19. So you can see that 19 is far away from these numbers. Yes, so 19 may be outlier, but you cannot decide by guessing that yes, it seems to be very away, so it will be an outlier. We have a formula for that. Yes, so first of all, you understand what is the meaning of outlier. Outlier means the number which is very away from the group of the numbers. Okay, it can be in the left side or it can be in the right side, one here and one here it can be. So this is outlier and this is also outlier. Okay, like this you can have. But what is the formula for that? Formula you have very easy. Formula is lower limit is equal to what? Lower limit will be first quartile minus 1.5 times of interquartile range. Okay, and the upper limit will be third quartile plus 1.5 times interquartile range. Okay, so if any number lies before this lower limit, then that will be outlier. If any number lies after this, then also that will be called outlier. Okay, so you just remember like this. This is lower limit, and then in between you have so many numbers, and this is upper limit. What you get by these formulae. Okay, and if any number lies here, then outlier. If any number lies here, then also outlier. Okay, in place of calculating all the numbers again and again, I will take the same example where I found that interquartile. Okay, quartile range, where it was, this one. You see, try to remember. I will try to remember. Okay, and okay, first quartile is 3.5, third quartile is 16.5. Okay, and minimum number is 1, maximum number is 20. So I will see here. Okay, I will take one more number here because, but everything will be changed. Okay, let's continue with this. So 3.5 and 16.5 is the important thing here, and range was 13. Interquartile range was 13. Okay, so this is interquartile range was 13. Q1 was 3.5 and Q3 was 16.5. Okay, now lower limit. What will be lower limit? Lower limit will be equal to Q1 minus IQR multiplied by 1.5. So it will be what? I am just using my calculator. This is 3.5 minus 1.5 multiplied by 13. It means it is equal to minus 16. No number of course before that. And upper limit. What will be upper limit here? Upper limit will be what was the third quartile? 16.5 plus 1.5 times 13, and it will be equal to, again I am using my calculator, 16.5 plus 1.5 times 13, and it is equal to 36. Okay, so if any number you have after 36 in the same question, like here, this one. So you see here, maximum number is 20. Yes, so it is below 36. So what you can say here, there is no outlier. Okay, but if you have a number 40 in the same question, then that 40 will be the outlier. Like that, like this, you can find the outlier. Okay, I'm sure this question is little confusing because it deals with the decimal, with the multiplication, so many things. But my dear students, please remember this formula and it will be very easy for you then. If you remember these small things, okay, then you can get the step marks also. So interquartile range you will have to find, first quartile, third quartile, okay, like this. Then you can go step by step and then hopefully this question will be correct for you. Now, another question, I think this is the last question for your lesson. So interpreting graphing display, this I have told you before also. For example, this type of box plot or graph or a histogram, anything is given to you. For example, say it is given like this, say it is 0 to 9, then it is given like this, 10 to 19, then it is 20 to 29, then it is given 30 to 39, then it is given like this, this is 40 to 49, okay, and then it is given maybe for example they can give like this 50 to 59. So how you will interpret this data, this graph? You will say there is a gap between or from 20 to 29 and 30 to 39 because they are in continuation gap. So you can write 20 to 39. There is a gap. Okay. Maximum value is for 40 to 49 because you can see this is the maximum graph, maximum bar height. Yes, minimum you can say for this also because this is the minimum, or they can ask you how many numbers are below 30. So below 30 means this value, I told you always for histogram you will see the top line where it is matching with y-axis like here. Okay, so these two values you will add them. Okay, how many numbers are after 40? So after 39, so you can match these two numbers, you can add them. Okay, like this you can draw, you can interpret, you can conclude about histogram or box plot, dot plot, anything. Okay, so just see the picture and then analyze yourself, and if it is an open response question, then you can write from your answer from your mind. But if it is not an open response question, if it is a multiple choice question, then you see the choices and see what choice will fit to the given question. Like that you can do it. Okay, I'm sure you understood all the things. I know that this video was little longer and I made it little in hurry because it was just a revision video. Okay, and if you have any problem, then you can go through the detailed video what I made in EOT 3 grade 6 UAE. Okay, there I have made by question wise, question 1, 2, 3, 4, or part 2 and part 3. Okay, I am sure you have understood everything, and if you think that such videos are helpful for you to increase your knowledge, like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you. And very important thing is that don't forget to see my videos when you go to grade 7 also. Okay, thank you.